Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and in this video, we are gonna make a low-carb cookies and cream fat bomb candy bar. These bars are super easy to make, super fast to make. It's only 4 ingredients. I priced it out. You wind up looking at about $1.10 per bar. Also, these things are crazy delicious. You're gonna be amazed at how good they are for only 3 net grams of carbs. Now, for the super clean keto folks, probably not the right recipe for you. In the spirit of full disclosure, the protein puffs that we're going to be using from ProMix Nutrition has a little bit of tapioca in it. That's where a couple of the carbs are coming from. We're also using the Chalk Zero white chocolate chips. These contain soluble corn fiber. I've done a little bit of research on soluble corn fiber, and generally the answer seems to be shouldn't have any impact on your blood sugar or insulin. I believe though that your blood glucose and ketones are something that you need to own, each of us as individuals. So if you're concerned, I would say get yourself like a Keto Mojo blood glucose and ketone monitor. I'll include a link down below so you can get them for 15% off. Also, on the subject of ProMix Nutrition, I got a link down below. Get 20% off plus free shipping. And hopefully, at some point in June, these will be shipped to Canada as well as the United States. So with that preamble out of the way, let's cook. We'll start with our ProMix protein puffs. We're going to use 3 scoops, putting a half a scoop in each cavity of our silicone mold. We'll give it a little shake to disperse them. And then we'll set this aside. Next, in a double boiler, we have 90 grams of coconut manna. To this, we will add 90 grams of Chalk Zero white chocolate chips. Finally, we have 1/4 teaspoon of liquid stevia. I'm using the Sweet Drops Vanilla Cream. We'll get the heat going and melt this up. That only took about 3 minutes for us to get the sauce all melted. So now we'll slide this off the heat. Bring back our puffs and divide this across all 6 cavities. Then I'll use the spatula just to make sure everything is well mixed and that my chocolate gets all the way down to the bottom of the pan. All right, that looks pretty good. I'm going to toss this into the freezer for 10-15 minutes and then they'll be good to go. Take a look at this candy bar. Wow, doesn't that look good? But how does it taste? You could give this to a non-keto person and they would think that you just reverse engineered the Hershey's cookies and cream bar. This is really good. Now I've made this both with and without that vanilla cream stevia, and I kind of like them equally. I would say it's probably optional. It does definitely amp up the sweetness and the vanilla flavor. But I will include the links to everything, including the vanilla cream sweetener, down below in the description. In terms of storage, these are fairly stable at room temperature. They do start to melt in your fingertips if you're holding on to them too long, so eat fast. I would say probably put them in a Ziploc bag, store them in the fridge. You really don't need to put them in the freezer like some fat bombs. So if you enjoyed this video, click that like button. If you're not a subscriber, why not? Hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified whenever I release a new video, tap that bell and select all notifications. And finally, if you'd like to help support the Serious Keto Test Kitchen, click join and see what some of the membership options are all about. Thanks for watching.